Sassy ladies, this is Tate and I am coming to you from sassysecret.com, and I just wanted to share with you the new Zara lace front wig. This is our new synthetic lace front wig from our Futura HD fiber collection. It features Spanish waves. It also comes in a color 1B and a 1B30. The color 1B30 is the one that I'm wearing right now. It has a 5.5 inch part in the front, so you can have a long middle part in the front, and it is very lightweight and comfortable on your head. It also looks and feels like human hair.